Hello and welcome to Synder Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can receive instant credit card payments from your customers with the help of the Synder app. In order to use this functionality, you need to have either Stripe or Square connected to your Synder account. Once you've connected all the needed platforms, go to the Receive Payments section and click Payment Links. Now you see the page where you will create the payment link. If you have several Stripe or Square platforms connected, you will see this drop down in here where you will need to select the needed payment gateway. Then you need to select the currency, then enter the fixed amount of the transaction or leave it blank for your customers to fill it out on their own. Then you can enable customer notes and billing address if you want to collect this information from your customers and click Save. That is it. You've successfully created the payment link. Now you can either copy this text and embed it on your website or send the direct link by email. Another option would be to just copy this link, paste it on your Instagram page where you sell goods, or send it directly to your customers via favorite messenger. Here's what your customer will see after receiving this link. They simply need to provide their payment details, fill out some required fields, and maybe additional fields that you added to the template, and click Pay. The best part is that after the payment is processed, Synder records it to your books automatically. We can check that by going to Synder, Transactions tab, and see that the Synder checkout payment just synchronized. And as you can see, as a result, a sales receipt was created in your books, accounting for the payment your client just made to you. Now you know how to receive credit card payments from your customers with the help of the Synder app.